All right, guys, welcome back for a bit of a different style of Maxim Outdoors episode. So we've been around since 2021 now, and it was always my meaning at the beginning of this channel's inception to do some reviews on gear and just pretty much anything related to hiking or camping. Well, we are finally getting around to it in 2023, and I have a review that has been on the shelf now for quite some time. So anyway, without further ado, back in, I believe it was maybe August or September, two people, Justin and Sabrina, reached out to me, and they own a little company called On Point Adventure Foods, and they specialize in anything freeze-dried and like MRE style foods, anything that you could think of really, from freeze-dried fruit, freeze-dried vegetables, even candy and ice cream. So any of your hiking essentials you can pretty much get from them. They're located, I believe, in like Somerset or Donegal, Pennsylvania, of course. So very small local company that I love to support. So anyway, we're gonna get to it today. I have 4 different meals here that could make, but I'm obviously only gonna make one of them. So they were kind enough to give me, like I said, 4 of them. So I have a Southwest bowl, a spicy breakfast skillet, spaghetti, and a mixed berry granola. So pretty much 2 dinners and 2 breakfasts. And they were even nice enough to throw in this cute little brownie here that we'll be giving a try as well. So I think tonight for dinner we are going to try the spaghetti. So the ingredients are very simple, and I know they kind of emphasize that. Hamburger, noodles, and spaghetti sauce. It doesn't get any more simpler than that, and it does have an address there from Rockwood, Pennsylvania. So I'll leave a link down in the description so you can check them out. Maybe give them an order, give them a like on Facebook or Instagram. I know they have some great discounts if maybe you're in the market for some of these MRE / freeze-dried meals. So yeah, just wanted to thank them, and let's give it a go. So I have the old jet boil here. Get that out, and yeah, let's make some dinner. What do you say? All right, now that we are outside, just a quick rundown of how this all works here. So I have my jet boil stove along with my jet boil fuel here. This is the Jet Power isobutane / propane fuel mix, and the burner attaches right on top there. I have this Stanley little pot here. I'll pour a little bit of water in, and of course the main ingredient, the MRE from On Point Adventure Foods. Like I said before, we have the spaghetti, so it's just as easy as turning on the pilot light, lighting this up, and throwing this guy on for maybe a minute until the water is boiling. So let's get to it. What do you say? Alrighty, so we got the water boiling, and our dinner officially open. Peek inside, and we could see some of the spaghetti noodles in there. And 2 instructions. One is to discard the oxygen absorber, and then add between a half a cup and a cup of water. So I guess if you like watery spaghetti, maybe go for a cup, or thicker, maybe go for the half a cup. So we're letting the water boil here. I believe jet boil takes about 30 seconds to a minute to boil the water, and we'll be adding it right to this bag here, sealing that up for a minute or 2, and enjoying dinner here on a nice December evening here. Well, it's not even the evening yet. It's like 4 p.m. The sun's already set, but a beautiful day here at Shawnee State Park. So once again, shout out to Sabrina and Justin from On Point Adventure Foods. Make sure you check out their Instagram, give them a like, check them out on Facebook. You know the deal. Hiker community is one of the best communities in the world, I think. So it's always cool to see people supporting each other, and especially them reaching out to me and giving me some free samples. So I appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot. Alrighty, well, looks like we have some piping hot boiling water here. So I'm gonna set the camera down here so I don't kill myself, and pull this bad boy off. Grab that, turn this off, and last but not least, fill this baby up. Alright, so now that you got your water in, very simple. You're just going to take the bag, and there's a little seal on it. Seal that up. Maybe give it a shake or two. And sometimes it's even best to mix it all up together. And we're going to let this sit for a couple minutes here. Alright, just like that. What was it? 10 minutes later? Maybe not even that. Got a nice meal here, and I will say I think I might have added a little too much water, but it's all right. So anyway, here we go. Like I said, 3 simple ingredients in this: hamburger noodles and spaghetti sauce. So let's check this out. All right, well, never thought I would be at the point in my life where I was filming myself eat, but here we are. So anyway, On Point Adventure Foods, the spaghetti gets 2 thumbs up for me. It was really good. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys setting it out for me, and highly encourage everybody else to go out and give it a shot. Give their local business a chance. Maybe order a thing or two if you're in the local area. And I believe they ship nationwide as well. So, I mean, if you're in California, Wyoming, Montana, Florida, be sure and check them out. So anyway, let's get to dessert. As I said, they sent me brownies as well. I can honestly say I've never had freeze-dried brownies before, but here we go. Take a look at that. So here we go, last bit. Oh, wasn't expecting that. It's like crunchy and chewy. So yeah, On Point Adventure Foods. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my first ever review here on the channel. If you want to see more reviews, let me know. Tell me what you want me to review. I might do some gear reviews, tent reviews, you name it. So that's going to be the end of this episode. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and of course check out Sabrina and Justin at On Point Adventure Foods. All right, I will see you guys back on Friday for a new hike.